Don't you hate it when you're trying to clean something and your sprayer quits working? Well, that won't happen now because I got 6 replacement sets for the spray nozzles and 6 straws to go with them. So I put one in this bottle and I'm just going to clean this chair. These tops fit any standard bottle and they are tight fitting. They don't leak. They have an off button so that you could take it with you and it wouldn't leak. And you can have a stream like that, or now it's on spray and it's doing a really good job. And I hate it when they leak from this front part where it comes out and your hand gets all wet. And I also hate it when I'm in the middle of a cleaning job and they just quit on you and you can't use the rest of the product. So I'm very happy with these, and I want to thank the brand for sending me these so that I can clean my chairs. You might like to try a set of these too. You get 6 and 6 straws to go with it, and you can cut the straw. Like this bottle is too short for the straw. You just clip the straw with your scissors and there's a hole to poke it into and it fits really good and it stays. I'm so happy with this product and you might like to try it too. It's great for your cleaning routine. You don't have stuff running down your fingers because the bottle is leaking and you can just get on with your job. It's great.